What's up guys, my name is Faizan Amjed and in this video I will teach you how you can add titles or text in Davinci Resolve. So let's begin. So first of all, go to the edit page and enable effects library. Now go to the title folder and you can preview a text by hovering your mouse from left to right. Now select the text and drag and drop this text in timeline. Now select the text and go to the inspector of this text layer. And now I'm going to change the text. So this is how you can simple insert a text in Davinci Resolve. How to add shadow to a text. First, import text plus from the titles folder. And now I'm going to import a background first. Now drag the text layer to the top track. Click the empty space and press backspace to delete the ripple. Now select the background and I'm going to zoom my background a little bit. Now select the text layer and now I'm going to change my text. Now go to the shading in text plus in inspector. Select the element number 3 and now enable this. Now as you can see, we have a shadow to a text. Now you can customize the color of the shadow and you can change its softness. So this is how you can add a simple text shadow in Davinci Resolve. How to add stroke? First of all, uncheck the enable and select the element number 2. Now enable this and now as you can see, we have our stroke. Now you can increase the thickness of the text and you can change the join style. You can also change the color. And now you can customize the softness of the stroke, position, rotation, shear size, etc. So this is how you can add a stroke to a text. Now how to add a text box or a border to a text. First select the element number 2 and enable it. And now in properties, in appearance, select the border fill. And now as you can see, we have a border. But you need to change the level to word. And you can also change the round if you want to. You can also customize its color. And these properties as well. So this is a simple way to add a border to a text or a box text in Davinci Resolve. Now how to add a background to a text. First, drag and drop a background in timeline and I'm going to zoom this background. Now there is two ways to add a background to text. First, you can select Infusion title background reveal and drag and drop this title on top of the background. But this is an animation title, so you can't customize this. So we need to add a customized title. So first select the text plus and drop this on top of our background. Now I'm going to change my text. Now go to the settings and I'm going to zoom this. And also I'm going to change the font style Now you need to bring the background on top of our text. Now I'm going to bring my text layer down and bring the background on top of our text layer. Now select the background and in inspector in video, go to the composite and now change the mode to darken. And as you notice, if I enable the transform control, you can see we have our background added to our text. So this is how you can add a background to a text. How to add an animation to a text? First, I'm going to import text plus in timeline and I'm going to change the text. Now I'm going to add a simple zoom in and zoom out animation to our text. So go to the settings of the text layer and now enable the dynamic zoom. And now if I play this video, you will see we have a simple animation. Now if you want to zoom in the text, just go to the dynamic zoom and swap it. Now if I play my video, you can see we have our zoom in animation added to our text. So this is the simplest way to add an animation to our text in Davinci Resolve. How to add 3D text in Davinci Resolve? First, enable the effects library and go to the effects folder. And now drag and drop the fusion composition in timeline. Now select the fusion composition and go to the fusion page. First select the text 3D and drag and drop this node in node timeline and now select the merge 3D node and drop it here, and now finally select the render 3D and drop this node in here. Now connect the text 3D to merge 3D and now connect the merge 3D to render 3D and now connect this node to media out. Now as you can see, we have nothing in our preview. So select the text node and type a text here in inspector. Now as you can see, this is a simple text, not a 3D text. First I am going to select the merge 3D and I am going to align the text in the center. Now go to this effects library and search for directional light. This node and drag this node and drop it here. Now connect the directional 3D light or directional light to the merge 3D. Now select the text and type 1, number 1, num1 on the keyboard. Now select the text. Now go to the extrusion in text and type in extrusion depth 0.09 and press enter. Now select the render 3D node and enable the lighting. Now select the directional light, go to transform and type 57.7 in rotation of the X. Now type 87.1 in Y rotation. Now we need to add a spotlight. So search for spotlight and drag this node in here. Now connect this node to the merge 3D. First I am going to change the spotlight color to something like this and now click OK. Now change the cone angle to 46.77 and press enter. Now change the penumbra angle to 20. Now change the drop off to 0.38 and press enter. Now go to the transform of the spotlight and type 1 in Z translation and press enter. So this is how you can add a 3D text. Now you can rotate this text select the merge 3D, and now you can rotate the text and you can see this is a 3D look of a text. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.